Two odd-ass SpaceX lists on Nasdaq, ticker symbol SPCX. S is a historic IPO. Its valuation hits $1.77 trillion. Trading G volume will surge in the coming weeks. More selling pressure means bigger losses for retail traders. My view goes against the trend. It may sound contradictory. S is a brutal capital game. Red L investors never win here. While LSTR bankers in Manhattan are watching SPCX closely, while D price swings put big smiles on their faces. The Y do not own the stock. It's all about lockup agreements. The Y drafted special clauses inside these contracts. The higher the share price, the earlier triggers kick in. The whole market celebrates now. S is no time for celebration. It's a countdown to losses for ordinary investors. Let me clarify this video first. I'm not bashing SpaceX at all. It is truly a top-tier company across the industry. Its rocket launches lead all global competitors. Starlink serves over 150 nations. With millions of users, defense contracts also build solid revenue streams. If you only care about rockets, this content is not for you. I am going to talk about something far more important. See the gap between great firms and regular investors. S IPO structure benefits everyone but new buyers. Same company, different results for different participants. Why retail traders lose while insiders profit. All facts are in the prospectus released by the SEC. If real, ni can access the file, but mainstream media lies. ILO share a key timeline today, Mark A. These important dates, the why matter more than current opening market prices. Let us check the latest data now. Valuation $1.77 trillion. Last year's revenue was $18.7 billion. The firm is still unprofitable. Pre-C to sales ratio hits 94:1. Valuation is extremely inflated. Top Wall LSTR analysts estimate its fair value at $780 billion. The real value is less than half its IPO valuation. My judgment relies on data, not personal opinions. Current pricing has priced in future growth already. Let us break down trading rules. Most retail folks miss on LY 5% of shares trade on the listing day. The remaining 95% are held by company insiders. For NDRS, early staff and VCS own these restricted shares. Contra CTS ban them from selling for a set period. Lock-up periods prevent sudden share dumps. Mass selling would crash the stock price instantly. Tradition L IPOs adopt a 180-day full lockup. RIV-N and UB are both used this one-time rule. SpaceX uses a layered system for share unlocking. It has 5 batch release dates on fixed schedules, 2 unlock rules tied to earnings, reports, and stock price. Price-based triggers are easy to overlook yet critical. The prospectus states clear rules for share unlocking. If price rises 30% above IPO price, new shares unlock early. FEE out of 10 trading days will activate the clause. As happens before the first quarterly earnings release, an extra 10% of insider shares become tradable then. The IPO price is $135 per share. 30% up equals $175.5. S is a concrete threshold. For the trading trigger, closing G prices at or above it count toward the rule foot your as priced SPCX at $155. Before its official launch, 30's a 15% gain from IPO price. The trigger line is very close. The market expects a rally, so triggers may activate soon. Start on short-term gains speed up insider share unlocking. A rising stock rally actually helps insiders cash out. Now, here is the full timeline. The 12th of June is the listing day. On LY 5% of total shares are freely tradable, now day 70. The 21st of August, first batch unlocks 7% shares. Day 90, the 10th of September, SEC on batch unlocks 7% shares. Day 105, the 25th of September, Thai RD batch unlocks 7% shares. Day 120, the 10th of October. Fall Ars batch unlocks 7% shares. Day 135, the 25th of October. Fifth batch unlocks 7% shares. The SEF batches release 35% of insider holdings. Two more unlocks link directly to quarterly earnings. First unlock 2 days after the first earnings report. The Q1 report covers Q2 ending the 30th of June. It will come out between mid-July and late the 20th of September. More insider shares will trade after release. Thai S batch is much larger than previous small releases. Second unlock follows Q3 earnings announcements. Q3 ends on the 30th of September. Rep Ort, Ascom Mid, OSAC to late DAC. Anno the R28% of restricted shares get fully unlocked. The 9th of December marks day 180 sta NDARD lockup expires. All remaining restricted shares can trade freely. Now in total, 83% insider shares unlock before day 180. The last 17% follow the standard 180-day lockup rule. Anno the R key date. The 13th of June next year, day 366, ends Elon Musk's personal lockup period. Why choose this complex layered unlock schedule? The design serves three main purposes for the company. First, they avoid a sharp price drop from mass share selling. Past cases prove full unlocks always pressure stock prices. Rivian plunged 20% on its lockup expiration day. UBR hit a record low when its lockup ended. Meanwhile, stocks tumbled hard. After full share unlocks, late RD releases, split selling pressure across time. Casual investors cannot track all scattered unlock dates. Second, expand floating shares at a faster pace. Nasdaq index rules have been updated recently. New stocks can join Nasdaq 100. Within 15 trading days, flow at below 20% gets triple weight in index calculation. Current 5% float acts like 15%. In the index system, Higher index weight forces passive funds to buy shares. ECH unlock paves the way for big institutional buyers. Thai S is a deliberate plan, not a random accident. Thai RD create clear exit windows for all company insiders. All dates and triggers are listed in public documents. Longy legal texts keep average retail traders from reading. The rules are totally legal, but info gaps exist widely. Let us look back at real market cases for reference. Qualit Y firms still face price drops after share unlocks. Higher speculative premiums lead to deeper post-rally falls. SpaceX's premium ranks high among recent big IPOs. UPC Almi NG unlock risks will be extremely prominent. I never say SpaceX is a bad business by any means. It owns strong strength and great long-term potential. A great company does not mean its stock has no risks. History shows retail traders suffer most during unlocks. SpaceX's risky cycle has just officially started now. Musk holds majority voting rights. His lockup lasts 366 days. Mad-Air calls this a strong vote of founder confidence. Thai S statement is definitely reasonable and true. Look at other insiders as well. State FF and VCS unlock soon. The Y want to turn paper profits into real cash returns. When Musk's lockup ends, most insiders have cashed out. Fallen DRs hold shares, long-term, off-earth, exit in batches. Differ and groups face totally different outcomes here. If you believe in this company, do not rush to buy in. Believe NDLY, chasing rallies, is the most unwise decision. Reject it fully also means missing great chances. The wisest choice is to wait and follow the timeline. Do not get swept up by market hype and emotions. YT 6 months for all batch unlocks to finish fully. 2 quarterly reports will show real business performance, price CE triggers and index flows. will also settle down. Market speculation fades away. Price sees rely on real earnings. Mark down these critical dates to track market changes. Late August to late October, main batch unlock period. Mid-July to late September, watch Q1 report and unlock. Mid-October to late December, track Q3 report and unlock. The 9th of December, full lockup ends. Last T shares enter the market. Price CS will reflect 6 months of real business status. Real-time stock prices change every single minute. Market cycles follow fixed rules all the time instead. Red Ion L judgment decides your final investment results. Top firms always offer new entry chances. After IPOs, the market rewards patient investors more than speculators. Early buyers may face losses in the next quarters. Pet INT traders can buy quality shares at fair prices. Leah RN to study rules and track key time points carefully. You will see through tricks in any new stock offering. All truths lie in public files. Ria Ding G makes all the difference. No matter how you trade stocks, stay away from short-term hype. Temporary ups and downs fade fast. Market cycles matter the most.